It's important before ordering your filter media to know the size of your air cleaner. Now, there is a sticker inside of this thing that'll tell us what the part number is for the filter media. Please note that in mid-2015, Dynamic changed the media color of their air filters from blue to white in order to elevate the quality of the filter. We use the obsolete blue style when filming since it is more visible when viewing online. There's several stickers on here. One over here happens to say model P1000. That's just a series number for the air cleaner itself. It doesn't tell you what size it is. It's a series number, so don't let that confuse you. Now, if you look on the inside of this black strip here, you'll find the item that we're actually looking for. There's a sticker in here, and it says Media Pad Part Number, C as in Charlie, 3, P as in Paul, 2025. That's the actual part number of the filter media that you need for this thing. So you're going to look for that sticker to give you the actual part number for the filter media. If for some reason it's missing, there's some other things that we can do to figure out what the size is. So let's talk about that for a minute. If your white sticker on the inside is missing and it doesn't give you the filter part number or the unit size, the other thing you can do is measure the outside of the air cleaner. So what you do is you measure the black strip first. So the length of the black strip, that's the first dimension. Now on this particular one, it happens to be 19 3/4, and the other direction is 24 3/4. So this one is a 20 by 25 inch air cleaner. This particular air cleaner measures 19 3/4 by 24 3/4, even though it's considered a 20 by 25 air cleaner. So they've made it just a hair smaller so that it will fit inside of your grill to get around screws and other obstructions. But this particular air cleaner is considered a 20 by 25. And you can tell by looking again at that white sticker, it says unit part number 1 P as in Paul 2025 C as in Charlie 24. So the 2025 would be considered the size of this particular air cleaner, 20 by 25. And that's the information that you need so you can order the correct filter media. Thanks for watching. For additional help or questions, feel free to contact us.